Alright guys, this is GearHeadz equipment, looking at a 2007 Jlg 400S that we just got in. Machine was reconditioned in 2013 by JLG. You can see there the tag for the recondition. I won't get into the details of that too specifically, but basically they tear the whole engine down to or the whole machine down to the frame and rebuild everything, engine included, hoses, electronics, cables, the whole thing. They pull the boom apart, they pull the engine apart, they do everything. It's about a $40,000 job that they do on it. They practically rebuild it. So take a quick loop around the machine. Everything's in pretty good shape. Tires are great on it. Come back here. We actually had the basket replaced. So it's got a brand new basket on it. Take you into the basket. Got the control panel is the same control panel, which the new basket makes it look not quite as good, but everything does work on it. Everything is working and in good shape. Machine runs great. I'll crank her up and run her through the functions here shortly. Let's take a look at the engine first. I know everyone likes to see that. As you can see, it's in really, what I would say, good shape. New battery on it. Always nice little plus. And everything's clean. Everything looks good. You can see even on this machine, some of these hoses are very new, especially these down here. Just had an oil change, filters, full engine service on it, so the thing is ready to rock and roll. Last thing before we crank it up, wanted to show this ANSI inspection tag. Just had an inspection done in October 2019, so this thing will be good until October 2020 for another annual. Let's get her cranked up and run it through some functions here.